Hello everyone, my name is Nisha from first year Computer Science and Engineering branch. My topic is money denomination machine. A money denomination machine sorts and counts currency notes or coins of different values. The ultimate solution for accuracy currency sorting and counting. Equipped with advanced sensor, this machine meticulously scans and verifies each note and coin, leaving no rooms for errors. Seamlessly integrated software instantly calculates the total values and quantity, the scanned currency, making a manual counting errors a thing of the past. Need to handle multiple denominations. This machine excels at identification and separating various currency values, delivering a quick and accurate count. Maintenance is easy. Regular cleaning, software updates, and occasional calibration keeps the machine running at its peak performance. It boosts your business operations with the enhanced cash management. The money denomination machine streamlines process, leaving more time for customer interactions. With its intuition, interference, and modern design, anyone can operate the machine effortlessly, reducing training time and increase productivity. Material required for money denomination machines: denomination machine, currency bills, coin tray and slots, microcontroller, display screen, power supply, user interface components, etc. are used for money denomination machines. Thank you.